Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable pages on the back end of your Squarespace website. Now you might want to do this for a number of reasons. You might be building out a page and it's not fully ready yet, or you might have an old service page that you no longer offer the service for and you don't want anyone to see the page. Or you might be working from a Squarespace website template and there might be pages that are built on the back end that you don't yet need to use for your business, but you want to use in the future. Whatever your reason might be, disabling a page is much better than deleting the page completely because you might need the content that you've got on that page in the future. If you're building a website on Squarespace and you haven't yet got a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, be sure to grab your copy today. It's a checklist that goes through all the steps that you need to take on the back end of your website before you launch, and it's completely free to download. There's a copy of it in the description box below. Disabling a page in Squarespace is really simple. You just need to go over to the left-hand panel over here and underneath website, just click on pages and then navigate to the page that you want to disable. Now, if we click on this events page that's currently not linked in our navigation menu, you can see that this is an empty page. There's currently no content on here. So I don't want this appearing in search results. I don't want anybody to accidentally stumble across this page until it is fully built out and I'm ready for it to go live. So if we just click back into pages, what we would need to do is just hover over the current page and click on this cog icon. And you can see about halfway down, you have this option that says enable page. If you just toggle that off and hit the save button, you will see that this page is now grayed out. Now, you can still make edits to this page. So if you're building a page out, this is a really great option to use, and it won't be visible to anybody and it won't show up on search results or anything like that until you are ready for it to go live. When you are ready for it to go live, you just need to click on the cog icon again and just toggle on the enable page and hit save. So that's it. It's as easy as that to disable a page on your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any further Squarespace tutorials. Be sure to grab a copy of my Squarespace website checklist today. The link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you all the best with your website.